Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Michael and today I thought I would show you how to cook an egg in a cast iron skillet. I know a lot of people probably don't use cast iron and I want to take that fear out of it that cast iron is a good cooking utensil and it can be used in a lot of different things, especially with frying eggs. So I've got a 10-inch cast iron skillet here and I've been heating it up and I just put in some butter. That is the key to making a good fried egg, is make sure that you have got butter in the bottom of the skillet. So I put 3 pats of butter in there and we want that to get all melted down and to get a good coating across the whole bottom of the pan. And that will help us keep it from sticking. And if it is seasoned, it should just pop right out of it. So as you can see here, I've got a nice egg and I've just broken that and we put it into the skillet. And I've got my flame up on a medium high. And we're going to watch this process of how this works. So now that we can see that our egg is turning white there where it is cooking through, we just take the spatula and just kind of push it on the edges. You can see that it's moving around in the bottom of the skillet very nicely. And that shows us that we've got a good seasoning on our pan. And with the butter that's there, that our egg is not going to stick. So we'll let it cook just a little bit longer. And there you can see me, I am flipping it over. Look at that. It didn't stick, didn't fall apart. And perfect egg on that side. Let's cook it on the other side now. Now we'll check it one more time with our spatula, and you can see here it is sliding around at the bottom of that skillet, and this egg is done. So don't be afraid to cook an egg in a cast iron skillet. It's easily done. And if you like this content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Thank you much for watching. Bye-bye now.